All right, welcome everyone to Vert Dogs. It is the semifinals. This one is going to be very awesome. Before we jump into it, I want to say thank you so much to 888-187 Pads and Skatelight for making this happen. Let's get into it. We've got JoJo Jones.
Sup?
How old are you?
14.
All right, and then we got Andy MacDonald. You gonna hit us with the age?
Yeah, 173.
Here are the rules for Vert Dogs. We brought in 8 of the best vert skaters to compete for a $1,500 cash prize. The contestants will play a game of skaters against each other. Each skater will call their trick, and the other has to do the same. If they succeed, they're safe. If they don't land it, then they get a letter. The skaters will alternate setting their tricks. When a skater gets all their letters, they're eliminated, and the winner moves on to the next round. Let's see who's going to take the top spot. Let's get into the event.
Rochambeau for it. You gonna do it hands? You gonna flip? What are you doing?
Want to do the board flip?
Yeah, I'll do board flip.
Oh! I'm the primo guy. Check it out.
All right, Andy MacDonald goes first.
You gotta do a backside foot plant, not a fast plant. He's not kidding around.
So nuts.
That should not be possible. Physics should not allow that.
I am so glad that I am not good at vert, because I would not be here right now. This is crazy. Y'all are crazy. Y'all are really good.
Wow.
No.
Whoa! That was trippy. Oh! Yeah. You made the LA5, I wasn't making it. I've never made one in my life. So, I was like,
Doubling down on the LA5.
that's a letter for me if you make that one, because I'm like, not even close to that one.
Before we do our winner, thanks so much to 888, 187 Pads, and Skate Light. That is the second semifinal battle, and the winner is
Andy MacDonald!
Here's the updated bracket. This series is going to be playing every Wednesday right here on this YouTube channel, or you can watch the entire series now on the Braille Army Plus membership.
Dude, these finals and semifinals are gonna be crazy, so you guys should hit that like, subscribe, and put a comment down below. Some videos to my left, check them out. See you in the next video.